Customers ask us all the time, what kind of dents can be fixed using paintless dent repair? The honest truth is, a huge variety. We may see door dings come in that are very small. We may see hail damage where it's still small, but a lot of them. We also see some that are mid-sized dents where someone may have bumped into it, or maybe a football or a tree branch or something hit the vehicle. We even see some that are very large damage on a vehicle. Maybe someone bumped into you in a parking lot, maybe a deer ran into you, or something more noticeable hit the side of your vehicle. The honest truth is, if there's no paint damage, we can probably fix it. And if there is paint damage, we could probably give you an option that would include fixing it with paintless dent repair and then touching it up or buffing the scratches out. The only way we can know is for you to swing by one of our shops. We'll be happy to give you a free estimate, assess the damage with you, and walk through any options of the repair process with you.